Looking for the best Xbox One VR headset? Well, your quest has come to an end. Virtual reality is widely seen as a gimmick by the public. VR, on the other hand, may appeal to gamers looking for a more immersive gaming experience. Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Gadgets. In today's video, we're going to go over the 5 best VR headsets for Xbox One. Also, make sure to check out the links for these VR headsets in the description down below. So, let's dig right into it. Number 5. Benev Headset. If you have an Xbox One, the Beneve VR headset, it's a great option. Beneve, a Chinese firm, has created a virtual reality headset that can be used on its own. All-in-one headset, as the name implies, you can get the most out of your VR experience if you have it. As you might assume, they are HDMI enabled. They are also lightweight and wirelessly powered for around 2.5 hours thanks to the built-in 4000 mAh battery. The Nibiru Android-based operating system powers the Beneve VHR. It enhances the virtual reality experience. These headsets can be used without an Xbox as well. Number 4. Samsung Gear VR. With the Samsung Gear VR, you can experience virtual reality without spending a fortune. It weighs less than a pound and it's easy to carry about. A motion controller can be used if you want an even more immersive experience, just like with other VR headsets. This headset is ideal for first-time VR users because it provides both comfort and convenience at a very low cost. The Samsung Gear VR costs only $149. In addition, the VR headset and motion controller are now included with the newly upgraded headgear. This is a terrific way to get a taste of virtual reality and see if it's for you. Number 3. Oculus Rift. The Oculus Rift VR headset is one of the most popular VR headsets for Xbox. Developed by the Oculus VR firm, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux can all use the headset. The Oculus Rift VR headset is also really simple to use. It's one of the best headsets on the market because of its design. In order to make it easier to wear, audio headphones are included. Another excellent feature is the ability to use the Xbox One controller. Unfortunately, if you want to use this headset to its full potential, you'll have to pay up to $500 for it. A headset like the Oculus Rift is a great option for those who are not concerned about cost. Number 2. The HTC Vive. HTC and Valve Corporation have teamed up to create the HTC Vive, a virtual reality headgear system. An HMD head-mounted display with headphones and a microphone is included, as are 2 wireless controllers and GPS tracking sensors, as well as the main headset and power adapter, both of which may be found in the box. It's included with a 2-meter cord. Keep in mind that it requires external tracking sensors, a powerful PC, and significant room and work to set up. The HTC Vive may not be the greatest VR headset if you live in a small flat. Number 1. Oculus Quest 2. There are few headsets as good as the Oculus Quest 2. This cutting-edge technology allows you to experience virtual reality for yourself. You don't need a PC for the Oculus Quest because it's an independent headset. If you have an Xbox One, you can use this device to play great games. When linked to the Xbox One, the VR headset may display a huge screen. It's possible to use the huge screen for just about any type of game. Playing games with an Xbox One controller is also possible. Oculus Quest includes a built-in computer for processing. While using this VR headset in a room, it has sensors that can detect the user's movements and positions so they can enjoy the full VR experience. Virtual reality settings can also be controlled by hand controllers. So, there you have it. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Until next time.